Okay, come over to this website. I'll put the link in video description, and then you need to sign up with your GitHub, or you can go with your Gmail as well. Now, after signed up with my link, you will get $70 free credits, or sometime you can get even $80. Okay, free. And with this credit, you can use your free AI agents. Now come over to API keys and create your API key. Give a name that you like. So I'll keep it like Go Router and group default expire that you want what it is. So you can go with never expire. Then from the advanced, select the models you want to use. So I'll select all the available models from here and then set changes. Now you got the API key, it's enabled right now. Now you can open Claude Code, or you can go with Open Code as well. Now in Open Code, go for setting, and from setting go for providers and then custom providers. Then click on connect. Now here give the provider ID. So you can go with this name. Okay. So go with Go router, then display name Go router. For the API key, you need to fill up the key that you just created here. And for the base URL, you will get it from the dashboard. Okay, I will come over to overview and copy the dashboard. Here it is. So copy from here, first API request. You can just keep it from v1. Okay, like this. Now for the models, you can see up there model square. Click on here and you will see all the available models. Just copy one by one and give it here. So for the display name, you can keep it simple as it is, same. So add models. Similar process you can do with the Claude Code or other AI agents. Now, after you copy all the agents model, you can just submit it and see it's without error. Now, let's give some text. But before that, you need to select your provider from here. So our provider was Go Router was selected, and first of all we try with the first one, which is Claude Opus 4.8. So okay, it's giving us a response. So we'll try Claude Opus 5, and let's see. Okay, it worked for our prompt. Now let's try with Claude Opus 5 thinking and ask him that which version it is. Now let's wait for their response. So you can see clearly it's Claude 5 thinking model, and you can freely use it. And if you come over to the website and go for console and from console to users log, you can see how much till now you use. So you can find out your cost here. Now if you notice here in the overview, you can also see here that you are using $1 from here, but it's not in. So you can use Claude Code from here for free. Hope you like this. I'll bring more tutorials.